Fix the invalid Zoom meeting problem. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix the invalid Zoom meeting problem. Sometimes, Zoom shows an invalid meeting error due to outdated apps, wrong meeting IDs, or incorrect phone settings. First, open the Zoom app on your phone. Tap on Meet and make sure the video on toggle is switched on so your camera is ready for meetings. Now, go back and tap on Join. Double check that you've entered the correct meeting ID provided by the host. Next, go back and tap on Schedule to review any upcoming meetings and confirm their IDs and times. Open the App Store, search for Zoom, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. An outdated app can often cause connection errors. Go back to Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, then iPhone Storage. Then, scroll down and tap on Zoom, then tap Offload App. Confirm by tapping Offload App again. This clears temporary data, but keeps your Zoom app settings intact. Next, check display and brightness in settings to make sure everything looks normal. Then, go back to Settings and search for date and time. Turn on the toggles for Set Automatically and 24-hour time to ensure your device clock is correct, as a wrong time can cause meeting errors. Now, open Zoom again, tap on Meet, and try joining the meeting. Finally, go back to Settings and check for a software update. Keeping your iPhone up to date helps prevent future Zoom errors. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.